Yes, what a gorgeous sunrise we saw on this late day in January. Lots of brilliantly blue skies out there. Notice we're looking downtown Columbus now at 5th Street South. Notice the flag waving just a little bit there. You probably noticed how gusty the winds were last night and early this morning. We had a cold front sweep through the area, and that brought us some cooler and drier air across the region. We even have some 30s on the board this morning, especially out towards the I-55 corridor. We have 39 in Grenada, 45 in Winona, upper 30s for Houston, and the cool spot is Fulton up in Itawamba County, sitting at 36 degrees, lower 40s elsewhere. We have wall-to-wall sunshine all across the southeast this morning. These storms are long gone off the east coast now. Notice not picking up any clouds or rain across Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, and that will be the story as we go throughout the entire weekend and the first part of next week. We will be watching a small disturbance, or a weak disturbance, move through the mid-Mississippi River Valley, so we could see an increase in cloud cover, especially in northern Mississippi. We'll say north of Highway 6 or so, up into the Tennessee Valley of Alabama. But again, no rainfall expected here in the Golden Triangle or anywhere in North Mississippi. But by Saturday evening, we should have a few cirrus clouds. Those are those high, thin, fair weather clouds moving into the area, and that will make for a beautiful sunset across the Highway 82 corridor for your Saturday evening. And Sunday morning starting off clear as well. Again, the clear skies will be remaining with us for the entire weekend and into the first part of next week. So some definitely good news there, drying out from those storms and cleaning up for portions that were affected by those tornadoes in Alabama. So for today, we will be watching things remaining very mild across the region, approaching 60 degrees this afternoon, again under lots of sunshine with a light northwest breeze at 5 miles per hour. Notice the 20s have made a return to the 7-day forecast for Sunday and Monday morning, down into the mid-20s, 27 degrees and 29 degrees, while high temperatures are moderating back to near 60 by Monday. Lots of sunshine remaining with us before slight rain chances return on Wednesday and Thursday. Baja County. Here you see Starkville right here. This has a tornado warning on it, which expires at 1 o'clock. It's moving northeast at about 40 miles per hour. So you will see that will take it right across the city of Starkville. If we could get a little bit closer view right there, we can show you some streets and some roads that this will be affecting. It does look like it's going to be mainly affecting the western part of town out towards the Walmart and the Starkville Airport. So if you're along Highway 12, which runs right here, that's coming into town, this is on top of you now. So really out towards, I'd say, Lakeside Place Apartment, especially for the city of Caledonia, which sits right here. If we could switch over to the velocity, we can see that the rotational couplet really has not changed all that much. Still some indications of a violent circulation right here. There you see the inflow notch of the storm. So this is where we would expect the tornado to be, again, moving off to the north and to the east. So if you're in downtown Caledonia, you need to move into your safe place as quickly as you possibly can. Get to the center of the house. Good Friday morning to you. Cloudy skies are the story across northern Mississippi, but temperatures are very mild. Here's the live look from our Columbus Skycam from high atop our studio here in downtown Columbus. There are a few spot sprinkles around the area, but we'll get to that in just a second, because the big story is, wow, what a difference 24 hours can make. This time yesterday, we were talking about temperatures down in the 20s. This morning, though, temperatures are nearly 30 degrees warmer. Check this out. 27 degrees warmer in Columbus this morning, 25 degrees warmer in the capital city of Jackson. Clearly, a very warm air mass has overspread the Magnolia State, and around here temperatures are mild this morning, almost 60 degrees down in Philadelphia, down in Neshoba County, 57 in Louisville, the same for Starkville and Columbus, some lower 50s for the Tupelo area, but temperatures are definitely a far cry from where they were 24 hours ago. If you're looking for the colder temperatures, you're going to have to go way, way north. I'm talking to the Canadian border, where some locations have not gotten above zero in the last 36 to 48 hours. Places like Billings, Montana, for example, where currently they are at -1 degrees. It is 3 degrees in Minneapolis, Minnesota. This is also ground zero of where a major winter storm is taking shape across the Pacific Northwest and into the high plains. You can see that here now. We've got lots of snowfall, and I will tell you that Fairbanks, Alaska, speaking of cold temperatures, for the past 7 nights in a row, they have recorded temperatures below 40 below zero. So it's definitely cold air up in the Arctic. That will not reach the Magnolia State, but we will see some colder temperatures late in the week next week. But for right now, we are continuing to watch a few scattered showers pop up on the radar this morning. So you may have to turn on the windshield wipers if you're heading along Highway 82, say anywhere in Lowndes County over into Pickens County, Alabama, where there could be a few downpours near Reform and Gordo that will push up into the southern part of Lamar County near Millport. But for the good news is this is moving out of the Golden Triangle. So if you're heading to Starkville this morning, things should be pretty dry across other areas of northern Mississippi, but we will watch the activity increase in coverage as we go throughout the day today, but especially into tomorrow. We will be having those splash and dash showers across the area for your Friday, but mostly cloudy skies will be the rule for the region. Again, by 6 p.m., there could be a few hit and miss showers as you make your way home from school and work this afternoon, but a strong cold front will be organizing tomorrow and early Saturday morning in the pre-dawn hours. Notice you can see a line of showers and storms developing near the Memphis area that will sweep through northern Mississippi during the day on Saturday. Some of the storms could be a bit on the strong side, but the good news is it looks like in the afternoon the strongest storms will be developing south of Highway 82. So that is some good news for us here in Columbus and the Starkville area, but we will watch that as some of the storms that are strong could have some gusty winds and maybe even some small hail associated with that. Another chance for strong storms comes into the forecast for your Sunday. But for today, things will be mostly staying dry and cloudy. Temperatures very mild, near 70 degrees with a stiff south breeze at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Your 7-day forecast does not feature any winter weather of any kind. Mild temperatures are the rule for the entire 7 days. A chance of showers and storms on Saturday. Again, some of those could be strong. The better chance of strong storms will be in here on Sunday. We will watch that very closely for you as another strong cold front makes a run at the region, clearing out for Monday and Tuesday with the sunshine returning. Temperatures only falling into the lower 60s before another possibility of severe weather on Wednesday. And yes, we will watch that for you closely as well.